In a distant jungle, there once resided a majestic lion named Oliver, who proudly ruled over his domain. Oliver shared a strong bond of friendship with Lucifer, a swift and agile cheetah. One day, in a casual conversation, Oliver boasted to Lucifer, claiming that no creature could withstand his might. Lucifer, in a playful manner, suggested that Oliver acted like a mouse in the presence of an elephant. This remark infuriated Oliver, leading to a heated exchange. Although Lucifer clarified that it was just a jest, Oliver, insisting on being called king, like the other animals did, declared their friendship over. In a twist of events, the jungle's minister, a fox named Looney, apprehended a notorious criminal named Rocket, a monkey known for his thefts. Rocket was brought before Oliver, who sentenced him to death by being thrown off a cliff in 2 months. Doodle Deer, Rocket's concerned friend, implored Oliver to consider Rocket's family and begged for his release. To everyone's surprise, Doodle volunteered to take Rocket's place in prison until his return. As days passed without Rocket's return, Oliver reminded Doodle of their agreement. True to his word, Doodle accepted his fate, even facing the threat of imminent death. However, Rocket appeared just in time to prevent the tragedy, expressing gratitude for Doodle's sacrifice and willingly accepting his punishment. Observing the depth of their friendship, Oliver experienced a revelation. Reflecting on his own severed friendship with Lucifer over a trivial matter, he realized the importance of forgiveness. Oliver chose to spare both Rocket and Doodle, acknowledging the strength of their friendship. Subsequently, Oliver sought out Lucifer, apologized for his rash actions, and restored their friendship. In conclusion, this tale teaches us a valuable lesson. The good deeds of others can serve as inspiration. By perpetuating kindness and understanding, we may unknowingly inspire those around us, fostering a positive and harmonious environment.